pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to keep my hand down, my lungs breathing in. Break down, see, spent all my life holding all of it closely. I made it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all.
I do, so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move, so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we have this Hyundai Tucson. It's a 2017 model. So we need to replace the undercarriage cover. You can see it's hanging, so we need to replace it, and we have everything we need over here. So we have the part, this is the cover, and then you have some rhino ramps so we can raise the front part of the car, and then we have a socket set, some clips over here. So everything over here will be in the description. So if you need anything and see me using today, just check in the description and you'll see everything there. So we have it raised now, so you can see the undercarriage clearly, so you can see the damage underneath. So this is the part we need to replace, this entire thing. So we'll just take it off. We just need to unbolt some of these screws over here. I think it's about 4 on this side, it's 6, and then there might be some clips that we also need to replace, and then we need to take this off. I don't know if the part that we received also has this, but if it doesn't, we'll just reuse this one. It's kind of solid. This is the only part that was damaged, so you just need to unbolt. There's 6 over here, and I think you have that one on the other side, and I don't know if there's any more. So yeah, we'll just take all of them off. First take our part off and see what was included in the package, and then see if there's anything we're missing.
Exaggerated, that's what you
The part, I think it's complete, so we'll just leave it out. We put it in the sun so it can maybe gain shape or regain shape, and then so we'll do this as we take off the rest of the old panel. I think within a few minutes, like 10 or 15, this will be okay. So we need a 10mm and our socket. So we'll start on this side. So make sure you keep them somewhere where you're not going to lose them, because we don't have any that came with a new part, so just keep that in mind. And the socket set does come with an extension, so this helps with extending this handle, so you can be able to get to the tight spots like this one over here.
The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step, still hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spend all my life holding all of
So we have one stubborn one over here that's, I think, the threading, or because of the damage at the bottom, it's just rotating round and round. So I think I'll just have to get a pliers or something, hold it, and then try and force it out, because we can't afford to break it, because we need to use that specific bolt for the new one. Everything is out, so that's the only thing that's left. So this old part is down. I had to force it out. I still have to take that one off, or I can see if I can just bolt the rest without worrying about that one. But yeah, it's a nuisance, so hopefully I'm able to work around it. So yeah, the new one in, I think it's good already. So just install that one, and it's an easy installation. You just bolt it in same way you took it out, and I think with that will be good. The shape has been regained, so it's flat now. I think it's ready to be installed. So I think the fastest way would be to get your bolt, your 10mm, and then just do it with your hand. Insert all bolts to all the spots that you need, so that at the end you just come, through and just tighten them up. I think this would save you time and energy, because if you haven't lifted your car up high enough, then this is a bit of a struggle trying to get it from underneath by just using the rhino ramps. So just have all of them in, and then just come through and just bolt them, tighten them up at the end. So we have all the bolts in. The last thing would be to just tighten them up, and we'll be done over here. So as you can see, it's now clean, brand new, perfectly situated. So we just need to tighten it up, and that's it. So we're done. Everything's in, so it's tight enough. Way better than how it was. It looks nice. Everything's perfect. So yeah, this is something you can do yourself if you don't have a way on how you can raise up the car, so you don't struggle underneath the car. Then the only option you'd have is to just jack up the car, or just use these rhino ramps. They're nice. So there's some bigger ones too that you can get that can raise the car higher. So yeah, everything will be in the description. Check everything out, and thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like this video, share this video, leave a comment down below. See you on the next one. Ciao.